video. What is up, YouTube? Kill Cam, back on the side of the tank, aka the Victory Gunner, and it is a gorgeous, hot Sunday. I found my other GoPro after the move. Hopefully this SD card works. My last one, I do not believe, was doing too hot, so hopefully this one works. Probably won't use this angle that much because I'll probably sweat through this shirt. Well, let's go for a Sunday fun day on the tank. Let's get it. I found this road yesterday, actually. I wasn't vlogging by any means, but like I said, you guys know, for a little bit, I'm just going to be searching for good riding roads. Oh, there's some peg. And I enjoyed this one. Last night, I didn't see too many cars, so I'm hoping for the same today. Excuse that double yellow, but sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. Man, it's so relaxing just to get out here on some new roads and just take some time for yourself. Go get the bike out, let the 106 eat. Oh my goodness. The only downside to this camera is you can't tell. Whenever I do my daily 100s, I would have to jump up on this bike just to show you. Another issue is when that camera's there, it's very hard to see if I need gas. So she's filled right now, so I know I'm good, but I've had that issue happen before when I was vlogging. I almost ran out of gas, probably in the middle of Georgia, because I had my GoPro there and I was too busy filming and not checking it as much as I should. Oh, she sounds so mean. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, I'm in a new county already. Fairfield County, what's up? I'm Kill Cam, nice to meet you. I've yet to be out here. That guy's face, he was just smiling. Oh, I don't think the camera's gonna catch that. He gets out of his car just smiling at me with his glasses on. You can't get mad for someone enjoying their motorcycle on these back roads on a Sunday. Sunday's your International Hobby Day, regardless of what it is. Oh, this is some scenery right here. I like this, I like this, I like this. Columbia, I see you, South Carolina. And this is not too far from where I'm currently staying. But for those of you that have been on this channel a while and you guys have been sticking with me through having the smaller subscriber count, it's not just a cruiser channel anymore. I desperately want to be back on the R6. Honestly, I would be fine with just putting the headlight back on, the taillight works, the blinkers work, and just making it rideable so technically it can be street legal, because once I throw the headlight on, I'm not too picky whether it needs fairings or not. I just currently can't waste $85 on a bolt kit right now, and my girlfriend really wants to ride. She keeps mentioning she wants to ride on the back, and the Gunner, as you know, doesn't have a rear seat just yet, so it's time to fix the R6 up, get the rear pegs back on. I really love the look of the R6 without the passenger pegs on it, but when your girl wants to ride, you gotta throw them back on. Ooh, please be a big curve. That'll get the job done. But I really want to get her a helmet one day, get her back on the bike, and eventually the long-term goal is to maybe get her a Grom one day. I think that would be hilarious. Get her a Grom and surprise her one day with a Grom. I think that would be an hilarious video. And she could come ride with me, even if we just patrol the neighborhood or just nothing too crazy on the Grom. And if I get something smaller or just a dual sport or something to mess around with her on it, I think that would be awesome. So keep your eye out for some R6 videos. If you guys haven't already, hit that bell. I don't know what is up with YouTube. I hear rumors that you can subscribe, but even if you subscribe doesn't mean you're going to be notified if you see the videos. So if you haven't already, go hit that bell for your boy, and I plan on being on my YAMAHA R6 very soon. This, I do not care what anyone says, this is the best feeling in the world. Just getting out here on your bike every new road's like a new roller coaster. You just hope that you find a nice curb to go enjoy. Go scrape some pegs if you can. I cannot wait to get the headlight back on the Yamaha R6 and go destroy these back roads. Your comments on the last video about roads up here, I wrote them all down. They're all in this little notebook of mine. So I'm very excited for once I learn the area to go really explore, really get out there, probably an hour and a half away, take the gunner and go do some distance riding. I found a few bike nights in the area that I really want to attend. I believe the first one that I know of, the most recent one, is in about 3 weeks. And I think I'm going to take the gunner out there. And there's a store called Cycle Gear. Apparently they're all over the US. This isn't sponsored by any means. This is my first time going into the store. I met two really nice fellows here at this location in South Carolina. And they say they have bike meets. Oh, I want to play CBR 600. They have bike meets the second Tuesday of every month. And I like the store, I like those people, so I think that's the first one I'm going to go to. I believe I'm going to take the gunner, unless I somehow miraculously fix the R6 in that time period, which I don't think I will. But it would be nice to go out there and give you guys a little warning, and I'll let you guys know if I can't make it, but it'd be nice to go see the bike crowd in Columbia, South Carolina. In this short little riding time that I've had up here, these roads are, they're pretty nice. I'm not even gonna lie. They are pretty nice, pretty secluded. Not a lot of traffic, as you can tell. Kind of like the setup I had going into Thomasville, Georgia when I was in Tallahassee. There's just so many back roads there that was so close to my house. I can't wait for my dad to come up and visit so he can ride on the gunner and I'll be on the R6 and we can go hit these back roads. Just wanted to wish my dad a happy birthday. He's been watching some of my videos lately, which is hilarious to me, and he seems to like them, he seems to enjoy them, so it's kind of funny having your dad watch your YouTube videos. But happy birthday, Dad. This one's for you. A little shout out for you on your birthday. So funny, man. Cracks me up every time. He sent me a text the other day saying nice 115 on Jelly Bean, and I was just laughing so hard. The fact that he saw me speeding that fast on his bike while making a video is just hilarious to me. He wasn't upset at all. That was the best part. Just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. Please, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and you guys go enjoy the rest of your weekend. Go kill this week. Tomorrow is Monday, and I'll see y'all soon.